Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. Quick access crashed file explorer in Windows 10 and 11. So guys, how to fix? Firstly, you repair your Windows corrupted files. So Windows R. Otherwise, you click to start button, type CMD, and right click to run as administrator. Yes. Type SFC space slash scan now. This command used for the corrupted Windows recover. So then enter. So now start the some percentage. So automatically remain, and then do not restart, and do all method and then restart. Okay. So I minimized, but you don't minimize. You clear 100% clear, and then do next step. Okay. So I already this problem is troubleshoots. That's why I am close this step. Okay. Now second method is, guys, you clear the file explorer history. Click to start button, type quick x quick access file explorer options. So click and then clear. So this is actually clear the file explorer history. Okay. And this is also uncheck, apply. Okay. And then, guys, okay, and you update your display driver. I don't know you have a graphic card or non-graphic card, so you just check your motherboard and download the latest driver and then override. Otherwise you using graphic card, so graphic card latest update driver has come, so download, search and download, then enter, and then you can restart. I think you 100% you do two step, so solve this problem 100%. Otherwise you, it is not mandatory, but you can do it, update your display driver. Okay. So guys, take care, have issue in this, comment me. Okay, I will support you.